ready to bring your vision to life. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to create a beautiful professional website using Canva. No coding skills required, whether you are a small business owner, artist or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites, using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly or export it for further use. So all you have to do is just click over sign up and you write your email address and your password, then you get started with canva.com. So this is Canva. So how you can create a website on Canva? So you have just to start by signing in into Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Browse through the various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose and click on on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, image, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So right now, all I have to do is click over search your content and Canva, select Canva templates, then you click over websites. Once you do that, you will find this, and then you choose, for example, the website you want, for example, this one, and then you click over customize this template. So this is how it looks. We have here various things. I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, we have your file. You can just create a new design, import files, settings, accessibility, save, move to a folder, make a copy, download it, or return history. Then we have your resize also, translate, transform into doc. Then we have editing, commenting, viewing also. Then we have here all change saves, company also here, website. Then we have here try Canva Pro for free. You can just start my free trial. I prefer a gem trail. So then we have here also if you want to add another account, and we have your insights, you have traffic, engagement, above views we have country, device for 7 days. Then we have here current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. We have your preview also, and we have your publish website. This is the last step, then you share it. You have your design. You can just select templates here like website portfolio block. I've recently used, for example, our results such as like that. Then we have layouts, match style to print, choose your list here, image, code, homepage, content, images, gallery, agenda, and other things. Then we have styles here. You can create your brand style, for example, recently used combinations, color palettes, font sets, recent design styles, image palettes also. We have your elements, for example, frame, arrow, button, line, square, embed, logo, and other things. Then we have your shapes, buttons, graphics, the image generator, for example, generate your own, a cute anime cat and a forest with flowers. And we have your text also. You can here add a text box as you write and your brand fonts, or you can add a heading, add a subheading, and a little bit of text. Also, we have a file type for grades. So this is recently used. For example, here we have font combinations. Choose the one you want. Then we have your brand. We have your logos. Then we have colors, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have uploads here. If you want to upload image or video, you can just click over here and you upload it. Then we have your draw. So I will write here Canva. So this is how it looks. So then we have here the page if you want to zoom. Then we have here also thumbnail view, grid view, and if you want to preview here, and also as Canva. Then if you want to add something here, add the notes to your design. If you want to duplicate, then we have here if you want to delete it. If you want to add a new page, this is how it looks. Then we have here if you want to comments, background color, for example, you choose the color you want. Then we have an image also. You choose the one you want. Speed here. Then we have transition also. Then we have timing. Then we have position here, overlay pin, and we have arrange on the layers. Then we have here also copy style. So let's come back. If you want to come back, you click over here. As you can see. And you can also modify it to whatever you want. So we have a file resize, editing, and also design elements, text, print, uploads, draw, and we have here quick actions, notes also. If you want to add a page, delete a page, you can duplicate page, lock page. We have add notes, hide page. We have move down, move up if we want. Then we have if you want to zoom, and we have here thumbnail view, grid view, preview, and also as Canva if you want. Then so Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.